Good morning to all of you. Till question number 8 yesterday we have to complete. Till question number 8 yesterday we have to complete. Now we have to start with question number 9. You see that question number 9 tells that a brooch is made with the silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. Diameter given 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divided the circle into 10 equal sectors as in figure. You see that first way to make the figure. Suppose this is your brooch given, okay, which we have to divide it in 10 equal sectors. The diameter of this brooch is 35 millimeter. The diameter of this brooch is 35 millimeter. And question say that we have to divide this brooch by the wires. We have to draw the 5 diameters in it, and we have to divide this total area in 10 equal sector area. Now we have to start dividing. You see that these all passes through the center, because question say that we have to divide it by the diameter. This total area we have to divide it by the diameter. Suppose this is the first one, second one, this is the third one. Suppose this is one, fourth one. 1 2 3 4. One more. This one. You see that we have to draw the 5 diameter, and this O is the center. Suppose this O is the center. Question tell that suppose you have a brooch whose diameter is 35, millimeter. Value of R given 35 millimeter. You see that value of R is given 35 millimeter. And question is that suppose this total area of the circle divided by such 5 diameter. It means we have to draw the 5 diameters. This divided in 10 sector area or not. Whenever you have to draw the 5 diameters, it divided in 10 sector area. You know that the total angle of the circle is 360 degree. It means the angle of one sector is 36. 360 divided by 10. It means the angle of one sector angle equals to 360 divided by 10. It means 36 degree. You see that question have asked that the total length of the silver wire required. Question have asked that the total length of silver wire required. So first way to make this brooch by the silver wire. You see that this brooch is made by the silver wire. It means first way to calculate the circumference. After that total length. After that we have to draw the 5 diameter of the silver wire. We have to divide this area by the silver wire also. It means 5 into the diameter. 5 into diameter equals to it means total length equals to what? Circumference plus 5 into diameter of the circle, or so the diameter of this area. Got it, the length or not? And second question, if the area of each sector of the brooch, you know that the area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. You have to separate what is the value of theta is 36 degree. Anyone have any problem? Write down the solution. It is too easy question. Design, it is design given. Only design. It is looking good. 9. You see that first you have to mention the given thing. Given diameter equals to 35 millimeter. We have to suppose we have a silver wire. By this silver wire first we have to make a circle. After that, after making a circle, we have to take a few parts of also silver wire, and by this silver wire we have to draw the lines. It means we have to draw the 5 diameter in the figure, and whenever you have to draw the 5 diameter, this diameter passes through the center. It means divide the total area of the circle in 10 equal parts. The question have asked that what is the total length of the circle? What is the total length of the silver wire? The total length of the silver wire equals to the total circumference plus length of these 5 diameter. It means 2 pi r plus 5 into diameter. Okay, given diameter equals to 35 millimeter. According to question, what you have to mention? According to question, length of wire or length of silver wire. Length of silver wire equals to what? 2 pi r plus 5 into diameter. This implies that this will be equals to 2 into 22 by 7. Value of r is 35 plus 35 divided by 2 plus 5 into value of diameter 35. See the 2 and 2, 7 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 22 5 ja 110 plus 35 into 5 160, 35 into 5 plus 175. It means total value is 285 millimeter is only millimeter. This is the length. You see that we have to calculate that 2 pi r plus 5 into diameter. You see the diameter is 35 millimeter. R is the radius and radius is the half of diameter. 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 plus 5 into 35. You see that 2 and 2.
Boundary is also made up of the wire.
Question says you read the question. A brooch is made with the silver wire. Brooch is made with the silver wire. It means this first way to make the brooch. After that we have to divide this brooch. It means total area of this brooch divided by the 10 in 10 sectors. It means we have to draw the 5 diameters. I know the diameter passes through the center of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord which passes through the center. Till here anyone have any problem? It means total length, you see that 7 5 ja 35, 25 into 5, 22 into 5 equals to 110 and 35 into 5 equals to 175. 175 plus 110 equals to what? 285 millimeter. This is the one dimension. Length is one dimension. It means its unit is millimeter. Question number second part. You see that the area of each sector. Question has asked about area of each sector. Area of each sector. If otherwise you have to find the area pi r square divided by 10 or pi square theta divided by 360. You have to apply area of each sector. Area of each sector equals to pi r square theta upon. This is the formula for calculating the sector and value of theta is 36. This implies that pi r square and value of r is 35 by 2. Value of pi we have also put 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2 into 36 upon 360. This 0 0 cancel out. It has 0 not 36 36 cancel out, remains value is 10 here. It means this will be equals to 22 into 35 into 35 divided by 7 into 2 into 2 into 10. Till here anyone have any problem? 7 5 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 2 11 ja 385 upon 4. This will be equals to 96.25 millimeter square. This is the area. 96.25 millimeter square. Anyone have any problem in this question? Okay. Question number 10. You see that question tell that suppose you have an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between two consecutive ribs of an umbrella. You see that question says that assuming umbrella to be a flat circle. Suppose we have to open our umbrella. You see that? Suppose we have to, if we have to handle like that, then you see that there is an umbrella like that. Or suppose we have to up the bottom, we have to select like the downward. You see that there is a circle or not? Question number 13. You see that a round table cover has 6 equal designs. You see that? Suppose this is our round table. This is our round table and it has 6 designs. Suppose this is our round table and which have designs are given like that. Suppose told you to complete on your copy.
Segment area, na?
You see that question have asked that, keep silence you all. You see that question tell that a round table cover has 6 equal designs. You see that these designs have equal area, and if the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, you see the radius given. This is the radius. Suppose this is our center O and this distance given 28 centimeter. It means value of R given 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Question asked about cost of the designs. If the cost is given rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Per centimeter square. You see that question tell that suppose we have a circular part. On it there are 6 designs given, and these designs have, these all designs have equal area. You see that suppose we have to fix the point. Suppose this is point A and this is the point B. You see that AB is n chord or not?
Yes, sir.
And this area covered by this design is an segment area or not? Acha. This is the circle. Circle have how many designs? 6 designs. It means how many sector area? You see that? Suppose only I have to plot one sector area. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means this theta equals to what? Total angle 360 degree divided by 6. It means central angle is 60 degree. It means value of theta is 60 degree. Question have asked about what is the area. So first you have to calculate one area. First you have to calculate the one area. It means first you have to calculate the one design. How much area covered by one design, and all the designs have same area. It means first you have to calculate the one segment area, and all segment have the same area. This segment area multiplied by 6. We have to find the total area covered by the design, and this total area we have to multiply it by the cost. We have to find the total, what is the total cost for make the designs. Anyone have any problem? Write down the solution. Given radius equals to radius equals to 28 centimeter. Angle sustained equals to what? 360. How many designs we have? 6. 360 divided by 6. 6 6 ja 36. It means 60 degree. You see that if this is the 60 degree and these are the radius, it means this is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral. OAB is a equilateral triangle. Therefore, area covered by one design equals to area of segment. Area of segment. If you want, then mention that O A C B D. Area of segment A C B D. This implies that area of segment ABCD equals to what? You know that the area of segment ABCD equals to sector area. Sector area equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree minus area of this triangle. Area of this triangle, this is a equilateral triangle. If you want, then you have to apply root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 r square, you have to subtract it r. You have to subtract r square by 2 sin theta. You have to subtract r square by 2 sin theta. This is the formula by which you have to calculate the segment area. Till here, anyone have any problem? You see that pi value we have to 22 by 7 put. First you have to common out r square. What you have to common out? R square. Remains value pi, put the value of theta. Value of theta is 60 degree. 60 divided 360. Pi divided by, this is 60, 0 and 0, pi by 6 remains or not? Minus r square, value of r is common out, sin theta, sin 60 value, root 3 by 2 and into 2, minus root 3 by 4 or not. Till here anyone have any problem? You see that we have to common out r square, remains value pi theta upon 360 degree. We have to put the value of theta, and value of theta is 60 degree. 60 divided by 360, pi by 6 minus root, value of sin 60, root 3 by 2, and 1 2 is there, root 3 by 4. This will be equals to 225, 25 square, 28 square, 28 square, and pi by 6, 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into 6, 22 by 42 minus root 3 by 4. Till here anyone have any problem? And 28 square equals to what? 25 square, 620, 784. 784 into 22 divided by 42 minus root 3 by 4. LCM of 4 and 42. LCM of 4 and 42. 4 and 40. We have to select here 3.1. Don't worry. 42 and 4. 84. 84. You see that this will be equal to 784 divided by 22 divided 84.
44 minus 21 3.
2 into 22. This is 44 minus 4 divided 84. 21 root 3. Put the value of root 3, 1.732. 1.7 only have to put 784 44. 1.7 into 21. 1.7 into 21. 35.7 divided by 84. Remains value 784. 44 minus 35.7. 8.3. 8.3 divided by 84. This is the area covered by one sector. This is area covered by one segment, not sector. This is area covered by one segment. Therefore, total area. Therefore, total area covered by design. Total area covered by design equals to what? 6 into 784 into 8.3 divided by 84. And if you want, then calculate the total value, a total cost. Total cost equals to what? 6 into 784 into 8.3 divided by 84 into rupees 0.35. This you have to calculate. This is the total cost. You all have to calculate it. This is the homework. Thank you everyone.